Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang KCON Fan Chamber with Rising Star Bini. Actually, this video is composed of 2 videos. So parang merong isa na parang may eksena sila, na parang edited na. And the other one is something like an introduction and whatnot. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Hi, Mika. Hi guys, I'm Colette.
Ay! Ang bait ni Colette dun. I love it. Ang bait ni Colette dun. Maloy. Ay,
Hey everybody, I'm Aya.
daming fan. Ang daming fan. Ay! Eh! Ang dami. Ay,
K-pop is genre of popular music in the Philippines. It warms our hearts that it is gradually being accepted in our country as it is still being introduced in the Philippines. K-pop
sino ang
aims to
nagsasalita?
showcase
Is it Gwen?
Filipino culture and creativity in international.
Wait lang, first time ko marinig si Gwen. Wait lang, first time ko marinig si Gwen na nagsasalita ng English. Yes. That is such an eargasm.
Pop. K-pop is genre of popular music in the Philippines. It warms our hearts that it is gradually being accepted in our country as it is still being introduced in the Philippines.
Uy!
K-pop aims to showcase Filipino culture and creativity in international stage, resonating with both local and
Uy!
global audiences.
Oh my God! Wait! Wait lang. I really love it. Di ba si Gwen yun? If I'm not mistaken, si Gwen yun. It's just that hindi ako nagulat na nagsasalita siya ng English. Nagulat lang ako kasi first time kong marinig siyang nagsasalita talaga. Like alam mo yung continuous na nagsasalita. As in.
Sorry Aya!
Si Aya. Bakit kayo nagsasorry kay Aya? Yeah, si Gwen nga.
And we are currently trainees about to do a survival show. So,
Trainee siya. Wow.
is there any tips that you would help us?
Anong shika niya?
Looking back when I was a trainee, I guess I
Oh
would
my
always
God.
just
The way sila
go
magsalita.
back to the
Yeah.
roots,
Diba?
being
Literal na idol.
and wise. And I apply that whenever I join something or in those times when I feel lost.
Mhm.
Why am I here? What are the reasons why I'm here? Why I still continue? And the answer for all of that is always for me, my family, and for him. And yes, in times where I feel like
Gosh, ang ganda ni Colette.
I feel like I'm not enough.
Ang ganda ni
but,
Colette, oh.
especially when I have a support system, aka my family, they keep me going.
Yeah.
Prayers.
Bakit ganun sila? Parang mga Miss Universe sila
And I
magsalita.
also, do some things or have outlets wherein I can express myself.
Ah!
So I
I
have
love the
a
accent.
lot of things like hobbies. Yes, and yeah, that's what really helps me. I hope that helps you.
I love the accent.
Good luck!
Good luck! I love the accent.
I know a lot of groups are like requesting for us to have like reality show, but you know.
Ang bebe niyo, layag, oh.
No, we don't have.
Joker talaga siya.
In the future, yeah, in the future, we will.
Alam mo, no offense sa mga biases ninyo. Pero every time kasi na pag may mga ganitong klaseng interview, hindi lang ganitong klaseng interview, it's just like always kung nakikita ang nagsasalita lang is si Joanna and si Mika or Aya. Konti lang talaga yung nakikita ko nagsasalita si Maloy, si Sheena, si Gwen. Kaya gulat na gulat talaga ako. Okay, please wag niyo sanang palakihin to or what. Baka ako lang nagpapalaki. Ako na yung nag-iisip ng gano'n. Wala lang, parang careful lang kasi ako pagdating sa mga ganyan.
Because I'm also
Like mag-isip or gulat na
very,
gulat. Bakit? Kasi may mga tao talaga na, ay, bakit iniisip mo ba na hindi sila nakakapag-English? Iniisip mo ba na hindi sila nagsasalita? It's not just like that. Maybe because yung mga nakita ko lang video is konti lang na nagsasalita sila. Or wala akong nakitang video na nagsasalita sila. Kundi si Aya lang palagi. Aya, Mika, and Joanna. Yun lang sila. Anyways. Okay. Okay.
Wow. No.
Anong chika niya? Can you Oh my God, hindi kasi kumpleto yung, hindi kumpleto yung interview. Nakakainis. Hindi complete yung, interview. Pero may papanoorin pa tayong isa. Iko-compile natin. Ha? Hindi ni Gwen! Kwento ni Gwen. Seriously. Ay, ang bebe nyo, layag. Layag. Ay, so.
We're pressured to reach a certain standard at a certain
Mika.
time limit or at a certain age. So I feel like a lot or everyone
Stacy yung
would
bait-bait.
relate to it
Very,
because
very
it's
serious.
common that you're pressuring yourself just to be something,
Very serious.
At a certain
Serious
time.
Stacy yung.
but really go
Sorry
beyond
kung ang
it,
mic ko is
go
not
with the
giving
flow
ha.
wherever you want,
Kasi
as long as
wala
you're
yung condenser ko
not
talaga
breaking
dito. Nasa
anyone.
bahay. Alam mo yan. Anyways, okay, tapos na to eh. Proceed tayo sa next video. May nakita pa ako isang video na gawa natin ng reaction video. Ay, at syempre may ads for today's video. May ads.
مصنوع من الحليب الطازج.
May ads siya, wait. Okay.
I know a lot of groups are like requesting for us to have like reality show.
Wait. I know.
I know a lot of groups are like requesting for us to have like reality show.
Yeah.
But you know, do we have time?
Do we have time? No, we don't have time. Yes, Colette?
Was BD's debut.
Pindali na si Maloy. Eksena na naman si Maloy.
She's a murderer! She's killing it!
Ay, yes. Ay, eksena talaga si Stako. Eksena talaga si Stako. Sinita siya.
Okay.
Sinita siya ni Maloy. Sinita siya ni Maloy, be. Sinita siya ni Maloy. Ayusin.
Go jog. I go to the mountains. I go to the mountains. My third mountain.
Okay.
I wanna be Ate Maloy because I wanna be small like her someday.
Talaga. Ay, tawag yung English yung Verdugulan nila. I love it.
That I wanna switch with you.
Diyos ko, kahit sa Kikon ay LA interview, nagbabardugulan sila. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya talaga.
Yeah. I never mind because you guys will bully me if ever.
Konyo.
Don't be hurt.
Me too. I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now.
Gusto niya magpahinga. Ito siya din niya. Kasi she's resting na. Gusto niya magpahinga. Gusto niya magpahinga.
Because I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her?
I'm so obsessed with her, so we're not being her. I love it. I love it.
For me, maybe short hair, like my Born to Win era. Yes.
Ah. Okay.
Not the coconut. Not the coconut. Yeah, let's forget about that.
Me, I may be very noisy when I'm with Beanie, but in reality, I am very introvert.
Okay. Oo na.
Wow. No.
Right. Can you?
Yes.
Right.
What do you think for me?
Sinabi mo.
Sooner, so I should have thought of it.
Fun fact about you, baby. Joanna and you? Because I love Joanna.
Makulit. Ay! Acapella! Ay, acapella? Ay! Ang ganda ng acapella nila. Saan ka kuya mapapanood to? Ay, nabitin naman ako. Alright, there you go guys. It is over for today's video. The Beanie Kcon LA 2024 Fan Chamber Interview Core Moment. So this is KJ Vlogs and see you next time.